Have you ever had a necklace or bracelet clasp break as you were getting ready to go out? Or even worse, you're out running errands and you almost lose it? I've got all the tips you need to take this catastrophe in stride. I'm James, your virtual jewelry expert, and I'm gonna tell you what to do if your clasp breaks. Before we get to it, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe so you never miss out on our latest videos. If you find yourself facing the issue of a broken clasp on your jewelry, approaching the situation calmly with care and attention can help restore your peace. Here's what to do. Begin by handling the jewelry gently and inspecting the broken clasp closely. Observe the clasp's condition. Is it bent or completely detached? Are there any visible cracks or missing parts? Understanding the extent of the damage is crucial. If the clasp itself is shattered or severely warped, it will need replacing. However, if it is merely loose or misaligned, a simple repair may suffice. If you opt for a DIY repair, you'll need to assemble a small toolkit. Look for jewelry pliers. Bit nose or needle nose pliers are particularly useful for maneuvering in tight spaces without scratching your jewelry. Visit a local craft store or browse online for clasps that match the style of your jewelry. Be it a simple spring ring, lobster claw clasp, or a decorative toggle. If minor tweaks are needed, a strong adhesive specifically designed for jewelry repairs can help bond small components together. Wire cutters are handy for trimming any damaged links or jump rings. Use a soft cloth to gently clean your jewelry before and after repairs, ensuring it's free from dirt and oils that could interfere with adhesion or the functionality of the clasp. For minor damages, such as a misaligned clasp, carefully use pliers to bend the metal back into its original position. If a small piece is detached, apply a tiny dot of jewelry glue to the affected area. Reposition the piece and hold it firmly for the recommended time to allow the glue to set properly. Make sure the repair is sturdy and the clasp operates smoothly before wearing it again. If the clasp is broken beyond simple repair, you'll need to replace it. Begin by locating the jump ring or connection point where the clasp is attached. Then gently use pliers to open the ring. Be sure to do this slowly to avoid damaging any nearby links. Once the old clasp is removed, insert the new clasp onto the same link and securely close the jump ring. Ensure there are no gaps so that the clasp won't easily come undone. If you feel uncertain about performing the repair yourself, or if the jewelry holds significant emotional or financial value, seeking the expertise of a professional jeweler is a wise decision. They possess the right tools and experience to handle delicate repairs, ensuring your jewelry is returned in optimal condition, potentially restoring its original charm. To minimize the chance of future clasp failures, make it a habit to regularly inspect your jewelry. Look for signs of wear such as bending, fraying, or looseness in the clasp mechanism. When storing your jewelry, opt for a soft pouch lined with fabric or a specialized jewelry box that can prevent tangling, scratches, or pressure that could compromise the integrity of the clasps. Additionally, keep your jewelry away from harmful chemicals, moisture, and extreme temperatures to maintain its durability. By following this detailed and thorough approach, you can effectively address a broken clasp and ensure your beloved jewelry remains not only wearable, but cherished for years to come. Thanks for jumping into the awesome world of jewelry with us. If this video helped answer any of your questions, hit that thumbs up. We want to hear what you think. So drop a comment below and don't forget to subscribe to JewelryWise to keep getting cool insights, tips, and the down low on the latest jewelry trends.